Hello, Shopify new store owners. Want to make your brand instantly recognizable? Adding your logo is key. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to upload your logo to your Shopify store step by step for 2025. First, log in to your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, click Online Store. Then select Themes. You'll see your current theme listed. Click the Customize button right under your website design thumbnail. This opens your theme customizer. On the left-hand menu, click the theme settings gear icon. Then, select Logo. Inside the logo section, click the pencil icon. Then choose Select from Library if your logo is already uploaded. To upload a new file from your computer, click Add File and either select or drag your logo there. Remember, Shopify supports PNG, JPEG, and GIF. PNGs are great for transparency. If your logo file is too large, I have another video that shows you how to easily resize your logo on a Mac. Once uploaded, your logo will appear in the preview. You can also adjust the logo width or size here to make it perfect for your header. Now, the most important step, click the Save button in the top right corner of the customizer. This makes your changes live on your store. And don't forget to review your checkout page logo as well, which often updates automatically or has its own setting in Theme Settings. That's it! Your brand new logo is now proudly displayed on your Shopify store. Congratulations! If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with other store owners and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips. Happy selling!